Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Runway and selecting the text-to-image model you intend to use. Pick SDXL for detail or a lighter model for speed. Once done, set the canvas size and aspect ratio. This affects composition and output file size. Then enter a clear prompt that uses nouns, adjectives, and style cues. You should also add negative prompts to avoid unwanted elements. Finally, set a seed if you want reproducible results, and choose the number of variations to generate. Now refine the prompt through iteration. Generate a first pass to see how the model interprets your idea, then add precise modifiers like lighting, camera lens, or era to steer results. Make adjustments to guidance scale and sampling steps to balance creativity versus accuracy. Higher guidance grounds the image to your text, while more steps increase detail. If needed, upload reference images or use masking to control composition. Keep testing small changes until the visual language matches your intent. Finish by choosing the best variant and using upscaling or high-resolution re-rendering for final output. Export in PNG or JPEG depending on use. Save the prompt, settings, and seed so you can reproduce or tweak the image later. If the image has odd artifacts or unwanted objects, simplify or rephrase the prompt, lower the guidance slightly, or change the seed to get fresh compositions. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, reduce complexity and iterate. Small changes reveal what the model responds to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.